In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable developer mode on your Wix website. Whether you're looking to unlock more advanced features or customize your site beyond the standard toolset, activating dev mode is a crucial step. So let's dive in. First, open your site in the Wix editor. You'll likely already have your site set up, but if you're unfamiliar with the Wix editor, it's the platform where you can make more detailed changes to your website's appearance and functionality. Once you're in, you'll notice the top menu bar, invaluable for navigating through various features and options. Keep an eye out for an option labeled Dev Mode. Clicking on Dev Mode opens up a drop-down menu. Now, select Turn on Dev Mode. Activating Dev Mode brings a suite of developer tools at your fingertips, allowing you to write custom code and ultimately integrate features that are specific to your needs. Now that you've done that, let's jump back into the Wix dashboard. This area serves as your command center for managing all aspects of your site. From the dashboard, you'll see a list of your sites. Find the one you wish to edit and click Edit Site to open it in the editor. Once you're back in the editor, locate the code icon on the left sidebar. It typically appears as a set of curly brackets. Clicking this icon is crucial because it is your gateway to coding on Wix. As a quick tip, if you're having trouble finding it, just move your cursor slowly over the sidebar options, and it should reveal helpful tooltips. After clicking on the code icon, you'll be prompted to click Start Coding. This step officially enables the developer environment, lifting the restrictions on certain features and providing access to Velo by Wix, an integrated web development platform that allows you to manage and write custom code for your site. This is where the magic happens, letting you personalize functionalities that go far beyond templates and basic options. To make the most of dev mode, familiarizing yourself with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is beneficial, as these are critical components in customizing your Wix website. Additionally, have in mind that making changes at this level requires a solid understanding of web development to avoid inadvertently impacting your site's functionality. And there you have it. By following these steps methodically, you're now ready to take full advantage of everything that Wix's dev mode has to offer. Whether your goal is to add unique features or streamline your site's user experience, the possibilities are now more expansive. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to leave any questions in the comments below. Enjoy exploring all the new capabilities at your disposal.